Hi guys, today I'll be talking about Volkswagen. I'll show you how to reset the oil service light. In some cars it says maintenance required light. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That will help a bunch to make my channel grow, so I can post more videos similar to this or other ones. Don't forget to check out my other videos. So what you want to do is put the key in. You don't have to start, you just go to on position so everything lights up. Mine says service in 11 days, but I'll just reset it just to show how it's done. So what you want to do is, there's this here, OK button, and scroll. What you want to do is press this. While you press this, the menu changes. Right there, it goes to this. And then to scroll down, you press down here. And then you go to service, and press OK. And there it is. When you press down, it goes to reset. And then press OK to reset. And then it says, do you really want to reset service? You said, it says OK, means press OK. And there you go, service reset. To go back, you just press this button once, and then you go back here, and then it goes back to normal, and your light is reset now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.